Building a basic AI agent easy today. You pick an LLM, plug in a few tools, and call it a day. But here is the problem. What works beautifully in your local sandbox almost always breaks down in production. If your AI agents can't do valuable work reliably, it's not because your model is bad. It's because you lack loop engineering. At ChaitanyaAI, we help enterprises scale past the sandbox. Let's break down the 4 critical layers of stacking loops to build bulletproof agentic workflows. Layer 1 is the foundation, the core agent loop. This is simply an LLM evaluating context, calling a tool, observing the results, and repeating until a specific task is complete. Tools give the agent the power to touch the real world, cloning repos, reading databases, or writing text. But relying only on this loop is a massive risk. AI models hallucinate or output inconsistent formats on the first pass. That brings us to layer 2, the verification loop. When consistency and enterprise quality matter, we wrap the agent inside an automated grader. Think of it as automated code reviews or style guide compliance checkers. The agent attempts a job. The grader reviews the output against a strict business rubric, and if it falls short, it feeds it right back to the model with context, aware feedback to fix itself before it ever reaches an end user. But how does this fit into your business workflow? Layer 3 is the event-driven loop. Your AI agent shouldn't sit around waiting for manual user prompts. It needs to be natively integrated into your company's ecosystem. A new document lands in your CMS, a webhook hits, or a schedule triggers, and the agent automatically executes. It turns your AI from an isolated tool into a core background component running inside your infrastructure. Finally, the layer that truly separates the amateurs from the experts, the hill climbing loop. The first 3 loops automate your work, but this 4th loop automates your continuous improvement. Every single run of your agent generates operational traces, the tools used, prompt logs, and grader scores. At ChaitanyaAI, we implement analysis layers over these traces. The system flags recurring errors, identifies weak tools, and automatically updates prompt configurations or feeds training data back into fine-tuning loops. The inner agent learns directly from its production history. This is what real loop engineering looks like. True value compounds when your AI continuously adapts and self-corrects based on real-world criteria. If your engineering team is struggling to take AI models past prototypes and turn them into resilient production-ready architectures, you don't just need a better prompt, you need robust infrastructure. At ChaitanyaAI, we handle the entire spectrum from custom agentic AI and data engineering pipelines to full MLOps harnesses and end-to-end model building. Drop us a comment below or send a DM to book an AI architecture strategy session. Let's build loops that compound value for your business.